Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on taking burst photos on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There are two ways of taking bursts on an iPhone. I will show you how to do both. The first way is to open the camera app on your iPhone. Then you need to tap and drag the capture button to the left. Do it kind of quickly. Don't hold down the capture button before you drag it or it won't work. Just put your finger on it and then slide to the left straight away. You can see how many photos are in your burst by the number on the capture button. Hold the button there until you want to stop your burst, and then just let go to stop. Tap on the image in the bottom left corner to get to your burst. It will show as one image, but you can see it's a burst at the top left of the image. The other way to take bursts is with the volume up button. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the volume up burst setting enabled on your iPhone. To do this, open up the Settings app, scroll down to and tap Camera. You now need to turn the toggle on to the right of Use Volume Up for Burst. When on, the toggle will be green. You can now close the Settings app and open up your Camera app. All you have to do to take a burst is hold down on the Volume Up button. You can see how many photos are in your burst by the number on the Capture button at the bottom. Let go of the Volume Up button to stop taking a burst. Tap on the image in the bottom left corner to get to your burst. It shows on your camera roll as one image, but if you look in the top left corner, you can see that it says burst, and then however many photos are in the burst. To see all of the photos in your burst, tap on Select at the bottom of the page. You can now tap on a photo to select it as a favorite, and drag the bar at the bottom to quickly swipe through the photos. When you have selected all of your favorite photos, tap Done in the top right corner. You now have the option to only keep your favorite photos from the burst, or to keep all of them. I will choose to keep only favorites, but that's up to you. If you choose to only keep your favorites, then they will now show as individual photos in your camera roll. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.